Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eyad Anwar from Success International School. I'm from grade 6A, and today I will talk about singular and plural nouns. Let's talk about singular and plural nouns. First thing, for what we use singular and plural nouns? The plural personal pronouns are we, you, and they. They contrast with the singular personal pronouns, which are I, you, he, she, and it. Let's go to the examples. Irregular nouns: box, tomato, candy, book. Irregular plural nouns: box, boxes, tomato, tomatoes, candy, candies, book, books. Singular. Let's now. Right now, I will give you more examples of singular and plural nouns. Let's take it together. Bus, buses, box, boxes, brush, brushes, bush, bushes. And here we come to the important thing. Right now we have 7 rules of singular and plural nouns. Let's take it together. 1. Most common nouns. Action, we will add s. Example: chair, chairs, pencil, pencils. 2. Most nouns that end in sh, sh, ch, s, or x, we will add es. Example: peach, peaches, brush, brushes. 3. Most nouns that end in y, we will add s. Action, we will add s. Example: boy, boys, key, keys. 4. Most nouns that end in consonant y. Action, we will change y to I and add es. Example: lady, ladies, country, countries. 5. Most nouns that end in f or fe, change f or fe to v and add es. Example: leaf, leaves, knife, knives. 6. Most nouns that end in consonant o. Action, we will add es. Example: mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes. 7. Most nouns that end in vowel o. Action, we will add s. Example: video, videos, radio, radios. And right now, like this, we include our project today. I hope you love my project, and thank you. I will see my project and thank everyone who right now like my project. Thank you.